Hey everyone, it's your name. And let's be honest, who hasn't stared at the ceiling at 2 a.m., wondering why sleep is playing hard to get? Insomnia is incredibly common, and it can seriously mess with your energy, focus, and overall mood. We all know how frustrating it can be to toss and turn all night, only to wake up feeling drained and groggy. But don't worry, there's hope. Instead of relying on potentially addictive sleep medications, why not try some natural remedies? In this video, I'm going to share some proven techniques that can help you reclaim your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. We're talking about simple lifestyle changes and natural approaches that can make a world of difference. So, if you're ready to finally get a good night's sleep, keep watching. One of the most powerful things you can do to improve your sleep is to establish a regular sleep-wake cycle. Think of your body like a well-oiled machine. It thrives on routine. By going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends, you'll regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. This internal clock is responsible for signaling to your brain when it's time to sleep and wake up. When you stick to a consistent schedule, you reinforce this natural rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. It's like setting an alarm for your internal sleep system. Now, I know what you're thinking. Weekends are made for sleeping in. But trust me, those extra hours of sleep on the weekends can actually disrupt your sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep on Sunday night and wake up on Monday morning. Instead, try to stick to your sleep schedule as much as possible, even on weekends. If you need to catch up on sleep, aim for no more than an extra hour or two. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to regulating your sleep-wake cycle. So, find a sleep schedule that works for you and stick to it as closely as possible. Think about it. You probably have a morning routine to get your day started, so why not have a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down? Creating a calming pre-sleep ritual can signal to your body and mind that it's time to transition into sleep mode. Start by setting aside at least 30 minutes to an hour before bed for relaxation. This is your time to disconnect from the day's stresses and engage in activities that promote calmness and relaxation. Take a warm bath or shower. The rise and fall in body temperature can actually help you fall asleep easier. Dim the lights in your bedroom and put on some relaxing music or nature sounds. Avoid screen time at least an hour before bed, as the blue light emitted from electronic devices can interfere with your melatonin production, a hormone that regulates sleep. Instead of scrolling through social media, try reading a book, journaling, or practicing gentle yoga or stretching. These activities can help quiet your mind and prepare your body for sleep. The key is to find what works best for you and create a personalized bedtime routine that you can look forward to each night. Experiment with different activities and see what helps you relax and unwind. Chapter 3. You are what you eat and drink. The sleep diet connection. We all know that what we eat affects our physical health. But did you know that it can also impact our sleep? It's true. Certain foods and drinks can either help or hinder our ability to get a good night's rest. Let's start with what to avoid. Caffeine and alcohol might seem like tempting sleep aids, but they can actually disrupt your sleep patterns and prevent you from getting deep, restful sleep. Try to avoid caffeine altogether in the hours leading up to bedtime, and limit alcohol consumption, especially close to bedtime. Large, heavy meals close to bedtime can also interfere with sleep. Your body needs time to digest, and eating a heavy meal right before bed can make you feel uncomfortable and make it harder to fall asleep. Instead, focus on eating a balanced diet throughout the day that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. These foods provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function properly, including getting a good night's sleep. When it comes to dinner, aim to finish eating at least 2 to 3 hours before bed to give your body ample time to digest. If you're feeling hungry before bed, opt for a light, sleep-promoting snack like a small bowl of oatmeal, a handful of almonds, or a banana. Chapter 4. Move your body, improve your sleep. The exercise advantage. Regular physical activity is not only essential for our physical health, but it can also work wonders for our sleep. Exercise can help regulate our circadian rhythm, improve sleep quality, and reduce stress and anxiety, all factors that can contribute to insomnia. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could include brisk walking, jogging, swimming, biking, or any activity that gets your heart rate up and makes you break a sweat. But timing is key when it comes to exercise and sleep. Exercising too close to bedtime can actually make it harder to fall asleep. Your body needs time to wind down after a workout. Instead, try to finish your workout at least a few hours before bed. This will give your body enough time to cool down and for your heart rate and breathing to return to normal. If you're short on time during the day, even a short 10 to 15-minute walk can make a difference. The key is to find an exercise routine that you enjoy and that you can stick to consistently. Chapter 5. Nature's Sleep Aids, Exploring Natural Supplements. When lifestyle changes alone aren't enough, natural supplements can provide an extra boost to your sleep routine. These supplements are derived from natural sources and can help promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and improve sleep quality. One popular option is melatonin, a hormone naturally produced by the body that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Melatonin supplements can be helpful for people who have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, particularly those with jet lag or shift work disorder. Herbal teas such as chamomile, valerian root, and lavender have calming and sedative effects that can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. These teas are a gentle and natural way to wind down before bed. Another natural supplement that has gained popularity for its sleep-promoting benefits is magnesium. Magnesium plays a role in muscle relaxation and nerve function, and studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can improve sleep quality, particularly in people with insomnia. It's important to note that while natural supplements can be helpful, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Outro. Sleep well, live well. So there you have it. 5 natural ways to reclaim your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Remember, getting a good night's sleep is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. By incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine, you can improve your sleep quality, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall health. Don't let insomnia control your life any longer. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these natural sleep remedies? What works best for you? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Sleep tight.